The 2024 Audi SQ8 emerges as a formidable player in the luxury SUV coupe segment, boasting a blend of expressive design and cutting-edge technology. The vehicle's exterior has been meticulously refined, featuring new front and rear aprons that accentuate its robust character. Audi offers an S-line exterior package for those seeking an extra dash of sportiness. A first for the SQ8 is the inclusion of HD matrix LED headlights with laser high beam, alongside digital daytime running lights that allow for selectable light signatures. The rear lights are equally impressive, with digital OLED technology that offers 4 selectable designs, enhancing the SUV's premium feel. The exterior design of the SQ8 is both sporty and elegant, with a clean shape and generous surfaces that convey a sense of dynamism. The Audi Singleframe with its octagon design and vertical inlays, especially in the SQ8 TFSI, is a statement of luxury and power. The new prominent air intakes are seamlessly integrated into the vehicle's architecture, further emphasizing its assertive stance. Audi has simplified the decorative elements for a more purist design. The differentiation between the base model, S-line package, and S model is evident through the use of contrasting colors in the front bumper area, door attachment trim, and diffuser. The exhaust system now features visually appealing tailpipes, and the S-line exterior package is more aligned with the SQ8 TFSI, showcasing accentuated side air intakes and a distinct color scheme for the single frame. The innovative headlights with HD matrix LED technology and laser light, along with the digital daytime running lights, give the SQ8 a confident expression. The rear of the vehicle is adorned with a light strip that connects the digital OLED rear lights, which are available for the first time in the SQ8. The Audi rings have been updated to a modern two-dimensional design, available in contrasting white and black or an optional dark gray. The interior of the SQ8 has also seen enhancements, with new decorative inlays and seats with contrast stitching. Audi offers a range of new colors and wheel designs, with sizes from 21 to 23 inches. The infotainment system has been upgraded to include popular third-party apps and regular software updates, ensuring a personalized experience. The driver assistance systems have been improved, with the Audi Virtual Cockpit now displaying a variety of warnings and assist features in full HD quality. The suspension of the SQ8 is quintessentially Audi, promising a driving experience that is balanced, solid, and effortless. The standard steel spring suspension with damper control ensures a consistent driving experience, while the optional electronically controlled air suspension with adaptive damping system enhances comfort and safety. All-wheel steering, available as standard on the SQ8 TFSI, improves maneuverability and stability. The engines are paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic and Quattro permanent 4-wheel drive, along with a mild hybrid system that enhances fuel efficiency. The SQ8 TFSI takes performance up a notch with a V8 TFSI gas engine, delivering 507 horsepower and 770 Newton-meters of torque. It features a sport differential and electromechanical active roll stabilization for precise handling and a sporty driving experience. The SQ8 TFSI also comes with a range of wheel options, including new 23-inch designs, and has a distinctive sound thanks to an exhaust flap on each tailpipe. The SQ8 TFSI, representing the pinnacle of performance and luxury in the range, starts at €119,500 and will be available from September 2023. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.